This is a new 2015 Ford Explorer. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, a sunroof, internet connectivity, heated steering wheel, push-button start, leather seats, heated seats, blind spot sensors, power folding mirrors, Bluetooth connectivity. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Cherokee Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 195 Woodstock Parkway, Woodstock, Georgia 30188.